Welcome to Chuck's Metal Models. Let's build a make-it blocks. Wait, we're not building bricks today. We're building metal models. Wow, let's see what we got here. Got our instructions. Got our metal. No bricks. And our nuts and bolts. Let's see. Are these compatible with Meccano Erector set? Now, if they're compatible with Meccano, the holes should be a ½ inch apart. So let's see. Yes, those are ½ inch apart. So these parts are compatible. Wait a minute. That one doesn't appear to be. So let's see. Nope. So some parts are compatible with Meccano, but this one piece is not. So that'd be compatible with Steelworks, I believe it was called. So as you can see, let's just do a little test here. We put screws through these holes. I actually cannot attach this piece to it, so the parts aren't compatible themselves, so they did an odd connect collection. Some parts are compatible and some are not. And I already got an issue. They did not punch this piece through. Look at that. There's no hole there. I'll put white through. Let's see here. Get my direction. See, you can't see the white through that. So I'm going to have to go and find me another part. Okay, punch. No, I can't punch that. So while I walk away, well, there is my little model. I did go and get another piece because this one was imperfected. You just saw a little time-lapse video of me building this. For me, it's difficult because the parts are small. I mean, the difference between ½ inch between the holes and a centimeter, that seems a lot of difference, and building the Erector set I had no problems, but these tiny little models, they are a struggle. I mean, you do get a nice tiny little screwdriver, a nice tiny little wrench. I have extra nuts and bolts here. I don't see that I skipped anything, but there is my little plane with my defective part. It's $1.25 from Dollar Tree. Make-it blocks. Make-it blocks is not just blocks. It's also imitation Erector set. It's a metal kit. It's a propeller plane. So this is my second video on my channel, and just testing out time-lapse photography. So please like and subscribe until we build again.